In previous lessons, we signed up for InfinityFree hosting and created a domain on that hosting. Assuming you have completed that part, we will install and set up WordPress on that domain. Installation and setup are straightforward processes. It isn't as hard as it seems. In fact, it is super easy. So let's get started. Go to infinityfree.net. Click Client Area button on the top right corner. Sign in using previously created account. Click Control Panel. It might ask you to give permission to let them send you email notifications to notify you of any changes to service, account status changes, offers, and other important notices. Go with your choice. Once the control panel opens, scroll down and click Softocculous Apps Installer. Find WordPress and click Install. Leave everything as it is, but make sure you create an admin account. Also, remember to note down the password you use. Scroll down and click Install. Once installation is complete, you will be redirected to a page where you can find your website's URL address as well as an administrative URL. With the website URL, you will be able to see your website, and also you can share it with the world so that they can find what you are sharing on your website. Go to the administrative URL and use the username and password you set up in admin account when you installed WordPress. Congratulations! You are now in the admin panel of your CMS, Content Management System. Next, we will take a tour of the CMS or admin panel. Hope to see you there, inshallah.